Money. You work hard for it. But is it working for you? Because for millions of people, it already is. At XTB, their money works for them as investments and savings. No matter how much they start with. Join them to shape your reality. They know that creating wealth isn't a dream, it's a mindset. Plan your future and chase your goals. Don't just earn money, take control of it. On your own terms. Step by step, investment by investment. You work hard for your money. Now let it work for you. XTB, where your money works.
Be careful. Investing involves the risk of losing money and may not be suitable for you.